Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys factory data reset setting guys. Today friends I will show guys how can you reset guys your factory data. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how can we reset guys Samsung phone factory data reset setting guys. So friends, open your phone setting guys and we will search here guys direct guys factory. As you can see factory data reset setting guys, you can check here guys, tap here to reset. As you want to reset guys, you can see reset your phone factory guys, you can see default setting. This will erase all data including files and download apps. So once you want to delete in and guys you want to erase guys your phone all data, so once you can delete from here if you want. So guys you will have to tap here, then guys you will have, then guys you can see delete option, then guys you will have to tap here, then guys all data will erase. This will erase all data including download apps and files. So like that guys, you can reset guys your Samsung phone factory data reset setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.